Okay, this book is Giraffe and Bird, and Rebecca Bender is the author. She is also the illustrator. I love the inside jacket cover on that. Giraffe and Bird. The dedication says, "For all the little birds in my life." It's true that getting along can be difficult. If the bird could tell you, he'd say he can't stand the giraffe. If the giraffe could tell you, he'd say he can't abide the bird. The bird, you see, makes funny faces at the giraffe. And the giraffe sticks out his long tongue at the bird. This makes the bird twitter in the giraffe's ear. Tweet, 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 tweet. That makes the giraffe invade the bird's personal space. Some days, the giraffe has bad breath. Other days, the bird eats too many berries, which are high in fiber. Is eating them. Frequently, the giraffe makes loud noises when he chews his food with his mouth open. Often, the bird tears apart a slimy worm in front of the giraffe. Sometimes the bird prunes his feather just above the giraffe's head. Every time the giraffe lets out a sneeze. Huh? 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 Okay. Achoo! The bird is blown right off the telephone wire. And every time the bird is flown right off the telephone wire, he flies up to perch right on Giraffe's horns. When the bird perches on the giraffe's horn, the giraffe swats him with his ears. Swat, 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 swat. When the giraffe swats the bird with his ears, the bird pecks him with his beak. Peck, 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 peck. The pecking makes the giraffe shake his head until they are both dizzy. Dizzy and woozy, they both tumble to the ground. Boom! One day, the giraffe loses his patience and shouts at the bird, "Scram, bird!" The bird gets fed up and shouts back at the giraffe, "Get lost, giraffe!" That night, there is a seriously scary storm. All the telephone poles crash to the ground. The giraffe wishes he could hide his eyes under the bird's feathers so he couldn't see the lightning. The bird wishes he could hide under the giraffe's ears so he wouldn't hear the thunder. Boom! The next morning, the bird feels glum. He has nowhere to sit and pick and peck. The giraffe feels lonely. There is no one to pester and perturb him. With no one around to pester him, the giraffe has time to think. The funny thing is that all the giraffe can think about is the bird. What can he do to bring the bird back? The giraffe agrees to help the telephone company for a while. He doesn't have to wait long for the bird to return. He also doesn't have to wait long for the bird to start making funny faces again. And here are all the things that happen. Smack, smack, swat, 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 peck, peck, slurp, flap, 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 tweet, tweet, wah, thud, tweet. back to their old ways. Now, it's true that getting along can be difficult. And if you ask these two, the giraffe might say he still can't abide the bird. And the bird might say he still can't stand the giraffe. But we know better. And that's the end. After that great outside jacket cover of Giraffe and Bird.